size difference, about a foot on average, once a day. Looking off to the left-hand side, you can see those channel monkeys over there are leaning slightly towards the bridge, which means you have the salt waters coming in right now. And then later on tonight, the moon will switch to the other side of the world and pull the bracket curve runoff out of the passenger side. We're looking forward to the coastal bottlenose dolphin, and locally there's about 40 of them living in a couple miles of this pass. How we can tell the difference between all those local 40 dolphins is their dorsal fin.
Hurry up, hon.
Alright, today.
Hold it out. Hold it out.
Dolphin. Anybody see one? Pour them out. Right here, the water's about 15 feet deep. Underneath the bridge, it's about 40 feet deep. There's the top coming out. Straight caddies off this pond. On the other side of the bridge is 15 feet deep. So this spotted dolphin over here on our right-hand side should be on the other side of the bridge here in another minute.
Oh,